In this video, I'm just going to show you how to plan a year of SEO content in one single afternoon. Now, I'm just going to use the Arval to show you how to do it. The first thing what we want to do is go into the integrations inside the Arval. Click on Create Integration. Click on WordPress plugin. I'm using WordPress plugin, so I'm clicking WordPress plugin. And here, we need to download the plugin. Once you download the plugin, log into your WordPress dashboard, and here, come into the plugins. And here, you need to click on Add Plugin. Once you click on Add Plugin, click on Upload Plugin, and here choose the file which you are downloaded. And once I have downloaded, you will, under the settings, you will see Arval. So if you download it, you can go into the Arval and connect it, and it will show up your domain. Just have to click simple things, okay? Just have to click Connect button. It will auto link with Arval. And once you do that, go into the feeds and click on Create Feed, and here set up a new keyword feed. And here you need to add your website URL and competitors and country and language. Once you click on Create Feed, it will fetch automatically keywords from the competitors and add it into the keywords. And also how many seed keywords you enter, it will auto find all the semantic keywords, everything, just like you're seeing right here. So once it starts populating keywords, go into the campaigns, click on Create Campaign and create a campaign. And once you create a campaign and go into the configuration, and here you will see the feed, integration, interval, random time, articles per batch. Give it every single day and give it one article, and that's it. You have everything for 365 days, a year of SEO content, just one button. By the way, I forgot to show you, you have to click on Start Auto Block in order to work.